Gluten is everywhere. It can be in pizza, pasta, even beer. Check please. But if you have a gluten intolerance, like celiac disease, it can be a nightmare.
Pasta?
No.
Beer?
No.
Apple?
Yeah.
Pie?
No.
Sandwich?
So, why are folks who can eat gluten cutting it out of their diet?
Good question.
What are the health benefits? And how does gluten affect your body? This is Your Body On Eating Gluten-Free for a Year. Many celebrities have promoted the gluten-free diet, saying it will help you lose weight, stay healthy, and improve your mood. But before we find out why, what exactly is gluten?
I'm all ears.
Gluten refers to different proteins typically found in wheat, barley, and rye. They are resistant to protease enzymes which help break down large proteins in your intestines. And because your body doesn't normally absorb large proteins, this can lead to nasty immune reactions for people with gluten intolerance. So, for the sake of science, let's see what happens to your body when you cut out gluten for a year. Day 1. Okay, here we go. Let's get rid of all foods with gluten. Oh, goodbye cinnamon rolls. Oh, I'll miss you, baguette. Don't worry. Thanks to the booming health food industry, there are gluten-free alternatives for almost everything now. But not everything tastes the same. Cutting gluten from your diet is only half the battle. Some vitamin supplements, toothpastes, and medications contain gluten too. Day 15. Okay, you've had no whole wheat for 2 weeks. You'll have less diarrhea, especially if you're intolerant to gluten. But you may be more constipated, as whole grain food is a source of dietary fiber, which helps your bowels work properly. Eating other grains, like brown rice or quinoa, will relieve constipation. Adding fruits and vegetables will also help. Day 30. You might feel some withdrawal symptoms like nausea, leg cramps, or headaches.
Wow, I just got a big headache.
Drinking lots of water will help. It's also important to take gluten-free multivitamin supplements, as you won't get the B vitamins in fortified bread and cereals. These vitamins help your body convert food into energy. You'll probably have to supplement iron and calcium too. Month 2. After 2 months, you won't experience brain fog or lethargy anymore. Gluten is difficult to digest, so going gluten-free will make it easier on your intestines. Your mental health will improve, and you'll feel more alert. And you're a better cook now. Even your dinner guests can't tell that the food is gluten-free. Month 5. It's been 5 months, and you're surprised your clothes don't fit anymore. According to a 2013 study, 65% of Americans think gluten-free foods are healthier, and 27% will eat gluten-free foods to lose weight. Without any gluten causing inflammation in your gut, your intestines will be better at absorbing healthy nutrients. Okay, but that doesn't mean you can't gain weight on a gluten-free diet. A lot of gluten-free foods are processed and high in calories. Yeah, I'm sorry, but just because those donuts are gluten-free, it doesn't mean they're healthy. Month 12. You may feel better after 1 year, but this strenuous diet has some risks. You can have higher levels of heavy metals in your blood and urine if you've been eating a lot more rice. Arsenic, lead, and cadmium can be toxic and increase your risk of kidney, lung, or prostate cancer. Because you've been cutting down on whole grains, which are beneficial to your heart, you'd be more likely to develop coronary heart disease, a buildup of plaque in your coronary artery. That could lead to a heart attack, but if you're able to maintain your cardiovascular health, you likely won't be harmed by this gluten-free diet. So, unless you suffer from gluten intolerance, you're better off consulting a health expert if you want to improve your health or lose weight. Hey, speaking of shedding pounds, have you ever heard of the werewolf diet? No? How about the baby food diet? Well, to learn more about these extreme diet fads, keep watching Your Body On.